How to fix the video recording not working issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like camera issues. So after restarting, if you are still facing the issue while recording video, then the next solution is open settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps, and then again tap on this apps option. Now here in apps, open the camera app and then tap on force stop. So tap on this option, and from the pop-up again tap on force stop to force stop the camera app. And after force stopping the camera app, the video recording issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again. Now scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if it's not updated, then download and install the latest version, and after that the video recording issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the video recording not working issue on your Honor 90 or 90 Lite. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.